Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix auto lock grayed out problem or auto lock timer not working problem on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to change the auto lock timer and it is not working and it is grayed out like this and you are unable to change the timer, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here you have to scroll it below and go to screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions. And after this, go back and now you have to go to battery from here, and from here you have to simply turn off low power mode from here. So guys, you can see this, if it is on you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to the display and brightness option, and from here scroll it below, and from here you can see you can easily change the timer for your auto lock. So guys, you can see this, you can select anyone from here. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.